Alright, for this project you're going to need some aluminum foil, something to paint on, a paintbrush, washable markers, and a cup of water. Okay, so to begin, we are going to try and make markers into watercolors. And so how we do that, we take our marker and all we really do is color on our foil. So give yourself a nice little block of color with your marker. Make sure to snap that lid back on so it doesn't dry out. And then dip your brush in your water and just swirl it around in that little bit of marker you just laid down on your foil. Bring it to your paper and you'll see that you've just made watercolors out of markers. This is a great alternative if you do not have watercolors laying around your house. I know a lot of my students are having a hard time finding the right materials, so here's a good alternative for you. I hope you enjoyed making some watercolors out of markers with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.